466 RNAV, Snuffy, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. Snuffy 26 left, clear for takeoff, Delta 466. 227 Atlantic Tower, winds 3403, runway 26 right, clear to land. Runway 26 left, short of 6 more. 6 no, short 6 more, 503, contact approach, 7 to 5. You go 503 short. Runway turbines, winds 2405, runway 26 right, clear to land. And 26 right, Delta 974. Navy 929, heavy turn left on a Bravo, hold short, taxiway Charlie.
Bravo, short of Charlie, it's going to 929 heavy.
1350, contact approach.
Roger, I'm going to 1350.
95, Atlanta Tower, caution runway turbulence, deporting heavy Boeing 767, runway 26 left, bottom from weight.
Left line boy, Southwest 1395.
Atlanta Tower, caution runway turbulence, heavy Boeing 767 departed the parallel runway, wind 2107, runway 26 right, cleared to land. Set 1131 on that Snuffy, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. Set 503, line of sight, runway 26 left, line of weight. 79, contact approach, let me go slow.
Tower, Scandinavian 979 heavy, Aviation 26 right.
Go sir, 979, contact approach. 2106, runway 26 right, clear to land. Caution right turbulence, heavy Airbus boat now.
You can message track center 979.
109 Victor, heavy turn left on a Bravo, hold short of runway 26 left head, Delta.
Bravo, held short 26 left at Delta, over 109 Victor.
Southwest 2672, contact departure, good day. 745, RNAV impasse, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Impasse 26 left, clear for takeoff. And it's 745.
Delta 2912, tower, line plate 26 left.
Runway 26 left, Delta 2912.
Verify Southwest 2672, did you put us over to...
I don't remember, but you can contact departure now.
Over to departure, Southwest 2672, sorry.
See ya. 431, Victor Loop. 26 left, clear for takeoff. 37.
3110, turn left on Bravo, hold short of runway 26 left at Bravo 4. Bravo, hold short 26 left at Bravo 4, Delta 3110. 1822, kind of departure, we'll see it.
Runway 26 right, cleared land, caution wake turbulence for the arriving heavy Boeing 777 short final.
26 right, keep it 5306 heavy.
Carry on. Contact line departure up going. Departure Delta 1693. 32 Juliet Heavy, hold short of runway 26 left at Bravo 2.
North off runway 26 left at Bravo 2, France 32 Juliet. Delta 1236, back to Victor Live, good day. Delta 1236, Lynx. 1125, RNAV to NCAS, runway 26 left, cliff takeoff. Code. 2597, contact departure, good day. 2597, yeah. Runway 26 left, cliff takeoff. Snuffy, 26 left, cliff takeoff, Delta 1929. 2542, Atlanta Tower, runway 26 left, line of way. 6 left, line of way, Delta 2542. A74, kind of departure, we'll see. Heavy, turn left on Bravo, hold short of runway 26 left at Delta. Left on Bravo, hold just first to left, on there, have planets 55. Left shots, 568. 141 Heavy, or AJ, 26 right. 41 Heavy, Jack, 26 right, clear land, wind 0303, caution wake turbulence, heavy 787, touching down now. And 26 right, Delta 141 Heavy. Runway, then turn left on Bravo, down to Delta. Turn left after to runway, left on Bravo, Turkish, port on Bravo. 75 Quebec, visual 26 right.
American 75 Quebec, Atlanta Tower, wind 3206, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Right, clear to land, American 75 Quebec. Snuffy 26 left, clear for takeoff, Airfix 526.
Air 5202, Atlanta Tower, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
6 left, line up and wait, Air
937, contact port, that's okay. Just see it. Factory direction loop.
Killer Delta 2161.
Contact departure, we'll see ya. Portugal 38, we'll see ya. 152, or have the impasse, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. Impasse 26 left, clear for takeoff, Delta 2152. Alpha 8, Tango Charlie, contact departure, see ya. Heavy, you're parking ramp 1, is that right? I need to take you to the south side to get there, so got a 9936 Heavy, turn left onto Bravo and hold short, runway 26 left at Delta. 26 left at Delta, to 993.
Runway 26 left, Frontier Flight 365.
Delta 1363, contact departure, have a good day.
Delta 1363, good day.
Tier 365, RNF Snuffy, runway 26 left for takeoff.
Snuffy, clear for takeoff, runway 26 left, Frontier Flight 365.
774, contact departure, have a good day.
Delta 774, good day.
Delta 2194, approaching AJ26 right.
194, Atlanta Tower, winds 3207, runway 26 right, clear to land.
26 right, Delta 2194.
9663, Bravo 2, cross, runway 26 left, to an echo, ground point 9.
Bravo 2, cross 26 left, from an echo ground point 9, Delta 1963.
Tower left, clear.
1, Atlanta Tower, number 3026, verify miles south of the stadium, 1800.
That's us, 1800. Like to enter just inside the cloud of Bravo, about another mile to our south.
1, roger, radar contact, clear to touch by airspace, maintain VFR, report on station.
VFR for rotation for airplane. Heavy, visual 26 right.
23 Heavy, Atlanta Tower, 1805, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, Delta 23 Heavy. Contact ground 121.9. Okay, then fast C2 Juliet is clear to cross runway 26 left at Bravo 2, left turn and echo and 101.9. 0.9, sir. 0.9, fast 32 Juliet. Or Delta 530, visual 26 right.
30 Atlanta Tower, wind 2805, going 26 right, clear land.
26 right, Delta 530. Heavy, turn right there at Alpha 4, taxi out the ramp.
Delta 809, contact Force, have a good day.
For Delta 809, you too.
Chev 0 Foxtrot, RNAV to Snuffy, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Snuffy, 26 left, clear for takeoff, 400 Foxtrot.
Atlanta Tower, runway 26 left, on the way.
26 left, my boys on the left 37.
Atlanta Tower, 13306, runway 26 right, clear to land.
26 right, 2249.
Q-line 5870, Bravo 3, then right on Bravo.
Bravo 3, right on Bravo, Q-line 5870.
Runway 26 right, go land.
Right, Delta 1732.
1590, Bravo 2, cross runway 26 left, join Echo ground point 9, traffic in auto position.
Bravo 2, clear to cross 26 left, and then 1219 there, WestJet 1590.
Bunch of flight 1099.
On 21 over AJ.
Down 21, Atlanta Tower, wind 300 at 5, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Delta 26 right, Delta 5921.
1441, contact Sparks, have a good day.
Sparks, 41, good day.
RNF is Snuffy, runway 26 left, the takeoff.
RNF Snuffy, please take off 26 left, Delta 2886.
1444, Atlanta Tower, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
26 left, line up and wait, Delta 1444.
Ready for 18, middle 26 right.
418, Tower, runway 26 right, clear land wind 0603. Taxi to Big Loop. 1253, Bravo 2, cross 26 left, join Echo ground point on. I know, that's 1253. $1576, go ahead, contact Sparks, have a go. Traffic is holding, go ahead, cross 275, Joe Mike, 175. Press 275 as uniform, Modern Mike and 0.75, that's 1794. And we're uniform if we catch up to Pentecost 31. Bravo Heavy, continue Bravo down to Delta. Bravo down to Delta, Turkish, 47 Bravo. Got a 141 Heavy left on Bravo behind the Heavy. Bravo behind the Heavy, Delta 141, thank you.
57 Atlanta Tower, wind 3306, runway 26 right, for the land. And on 26 right, Delta 1157. Clear 998, Atlanta Tower, runway 26 left, line of point. 988. Bravo and Victor on Victor, contact ground point 9, good day.
2249, I'll see you.
Clear 988, RNAV 2 end pass, runway 26 left. got 1816, taxi Victor Loop, have a good day.
16.
Good 1816, Victor Loop, have a good day.
Loop, we'll do it 1816.
Hold for the runway 26 left at Bravo 2.
Good, Austin 334.
So 2709, Arnett is Snuffy, runway 26 left over takeoff.
That's up 2709.
Fired up 1125, visual 26 right.
25 on the south, South Heavy Airbus A350 rolling out, ways 2004, north 60 left to left.
Track would land up
126 on the south, 160 left, mountain white.
Left my point, that's 126.
While leaving fast 5 airspace to the north, for the service service. Big exchange crew, don't shut down your vicinity.
Refer one here.
24 Heavy, hold short, 126 left of Bravo 2.
26 left, Bravo 2, Delta 294 Heavy.
Safety contact departure, take care. Went down, runway 26 right, to the left.
Right, clear to land up 485.
119, take speed of Victor Loop.
JetBlue 119.
Over to ground, Alaska 334.
Southwest 1730, visual 26 right.
Well, 1730, line of pass off, my turbine from 2906, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Right, clear to land, Southwest 1730.
Okay, 241, contact point, good day.
First Southwest 241.
Heavy, Bravo 2, cross runway 26 left, join Echo, and then ground point 9.
Cross 26 Bravo 2, Echo, point 9, Delta 777 Heavy.
Juliet departures, Whiskey current line, the right altimeter 3033. 900 traffic in position, cross runway 26 left at Delta, short of ramp 6. Once you get there, contact the ramp 3137.
Okay, cross 26 left at Delta, over to ramp short of the ramp arrow, Delta 1500. Thank you.
32, contact departure. Have a good day.
29632, good day.
Taxi to the direct loop.
Cyber 5497.
High speed start to Bravo 3.
Hey, that's Bravo 7, thank you.
I'm on point. 6 left, line for way, Endeavor 4778. $2325 Victor Loop. 325, yeah, Victor Loop, we'll see you. Yeah.
Tower, Bush Street, 5326, AJ.
5326 Tower, caution Lake turbine, you're following a heavy Airbus, continue for runway 26 right, gotta get some thought off the runway real quick before you get here.
Alright, continue 26 right, Bush Street, 5326.
778 or nav Snuffy, 26 left, clear takeoff. Nav Snuffy, 26 left, clear for takeoff, Endeavor 4778. Bravo 3, proceed on 26 right, traffic 4 out.
Oh yeah, 7.
Going heavy, you can make the left turn off there and then hold short of 26 left at the departure.
26 left at the departure and Delta 71 Heavy.
1941, RNAV Snuffy, runway 26 left, lift takeoff.
RNAV Snuffy, Delta 1941.
Trick 325, Atlanta Tower, runway 26 left, line up away.
Three heavy at Delta, cross runway 26 left, hold shore ramp 6. You can call the ramp there on 131.37. Delta, cross 26 left, and hold short of the ramp 131.37. Alright, 131.37, 37. Gotcha. 3293, Cathay departure, see ya. 3293, so...
FAA 05, located west end Bravo taxiway.
FAA 05. FAA 05 is your radio. I heard the first transmission, and now that second one, something is completely unreadable. 5049, left of Bravo 3, taxi Bravo, Victor, once you're on Victor, contact ground point 9. And then over to ground point 9, Blue Streak, 5049.
Two contact departure, have a good day.
Get 6 right down 75, thanks. Here, 1116, taxi to Victor. 16, taxi to Victor, though. Land up 25.7 coming. 195 heavy, turn left on the Bravo, hold short of runway 26 left at Delta.
Bravo short of 26 left at Delta, Delta 195 heavy.
971, contact departure, see ya. 2971. 1D3, wind 330 at 6 or nav, Snuffy, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. Snuffy, clear for takeoff, runway 36 left, 26 left, Delta E-22. 1D373, Atlanta Tower, runway 26 left, line up and wait. 26 left, line up and wait, Delta 2372. Keep speed up off the runway, traffic short tunnel at Bravo 2, cross 26 left, join Echo, and can I ground point now? 26 left, join Echo, point 9 Delta 1324, have a good day.
Good day, Delta 2071 AJ, runway 26 right.
71 tower, low 26 right, clear land, wind 3407, caution wake turbulence, heavy 76, touchdown now.
Clear land, 26 right, Delta 2071.
Heavy turn left on Bravo down to Bravo 6. Hold short there, Delta 907 heavy. Stop. 6 left, line up and wait. Wait, 26 left, Delta 3081. RNAV to Snuffy, 26 left, cleared for takeoff. 81. Runway 26 left, Bravo 2 behind the frontier. 6 left, Bravo 2 behind the frontier, 1344. Delta 1273, taxi effect the loop. 134, combat line departure, good day. Line of wind 3506, runway 26 right, clear to land, caution wing triple, on heavy A330, landing roll. Delta 2188, heavy, turn left on Bravo, hold short runway 26 left at Delta. Left to Bravo, short of 26 left at Delta for 2188. 43 Leonard Tower, runway 26 left on a point. Wait, 26 left, Delta 43. 3875, Leonard Tower, wind 3604, runway 26 right, clear to land. Frontier flight 1080, ready to go in exactly 1 minute on the 26 left. You said you are ready to go? Frontier flight 1080. Your Delta 414, give way to the Frontier out of the block, please. The Frontier, Delta 414. Flight 1080, your sequence will be the next 321 you see off your left wing coming up now. Behind the next 321 that we see off our left here, Frontier flight 1080. 3875. Delta 322, AJ. Delta 322, Atlanta Tower, wind 280 at 3, runway 26, right, clear to land. Track clear to land, Delta 322. 1246, Atlanta Tower, runway 26, left, line up and wait. 1246, 26 left, line up and wait. Keyline 3804, contact departure, we'll see ya. 782 heavy, hold short of runway 26 left at Bravo 2.
Hold short 26 left, Bravo 2, Delta 782 heavy.
Uh, 1004, contact departure, good day.
Departure, good day, Delta 10,004.
5157, landed tower, line up and wait, runway 26 left.
Left, line up and wait, number 5157.
Remind me again, what is MLU, your destination?
Never been told. We'll look it up too.
Where you'd want to go, I promise. Q157, RNAV, Snuffy, clear for takeoff, 26 left. United 425, contact the Atlanta departure. Good day, y'all. 425, enjoy your day. You too, friend.
Flight 605, 2600 visual, 26 right.
605 on a tower, my 26 right, clear land, wind 3605.
Clear land 26 right, 95605.
Bravo 2, cross 26 left, straight into ramp 2, call the ramp tower, we'll see you.
3095 left on a Bravo, hold short of runway 26 left at Bravo 4.
We'll hold short of 26 left, Bravo 4, Delta 3095. Jet 350's HA26 right.
Top Jet 350, Atlanta Tower, 206, runway 26 right, clear to land, Honda 757 short, final caution right turbulence.
Straight, clear to land, Howard Jet 350.
Delta 712 on a Snuffy, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Snuffy 26 left, clear for takeoff, Delta 712.
884, Atlanta Tower, runway 26 left, monitor, double traffic down through.
South line up and wait up to 28. Clear takeoff, 26 left, WestJet 1591.
Got a 3088 on a tower, only 26 left on a blade.
Left line of weight, Delta 3088.
Number 8, Sigma Charlie, for your planning, you're going to be after the 7. About to start taking the runway here. Southwest 3001, taxi via the Victor Loop.
2001, Victor Loop.
36, contact departure, see ya.
36. Contact departure. Departure, Delta 894. Gas 501, cross 26 west, taxi ramp 6, give him a call.
Cross 26
Delta, Delta, we'll give ramp a call, hold it short there, Delta 1. T08, Victor Loop.
Hello, Delta 230.
Snuffy, you're only 26 left, clear for takeoff. Snuffy 26 left, clear for takeoff, Frontier Flight 3293. Streak 5049, runway 26 right, clear to land. With Streak 5049, Atlanta Tower. Hopefully so well, we're clear half of the north. One second. Police Straight 5049. Police 01, radar service terminated, frequency change approved. Frequency approved, field. 5049, hello, 26 right, clear to land. Taxi to the Victor Loop. Uh, 3160, taxi via Victor Loop. 160 via the Victor Loop. RNAV Snuffy, clear for takeoff, 26 left.
We're clear for takeoff RNAV to Snuffy at 49.5.
West 1191, Tower, line from weight, 26 left, full length.
Left, full length, on boy, Southwest 1191.
For 5189, contact the Atlanta departure, good day. Good day,
Endeavor 5440, what is the ground frequency? Let us switch over to.
Apologize, I was coordinating with the back. Say it again.
Which ground frequency for Endeavor 5440? 5440, thanks.
Our Delta 2397, AJ. 97 Atlanta Tower, caution wing turbulent trench rail of a heavy 76, Glen 2604, runway 26 right, clear to land. And 26 right, Delta 2397. Okay, West 3942 Atlanta Tower, 26 left, line for weight, traffic is downfield. Delta 33 Heavy, hold shorter runway 26 left, Bravo 2. Heavy. 3942. Contact departure 2. Departure air 5161. Atlanta Tower, 2025, runway 26 right to land, caution service, heavy Airbus A330 rolling out. Back clear to land, Delta 992. 389, RNAV impasse, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. RNAV impasse, 26 left, clear for takeoff, name 5389. 215, left on Bravo, hold short, runway 26 left, taxiway Delta. Hold short, 26 left, at Delta, Delta 215. 37, contact departure. 26 left, line will wait, Southwest 56.
14, Atlanta Tower, traffic is holding. At taxiway Charlie, cross runway 26 left, motion to 26 right.
Left, motion to 26 right, 14.
2176 with you, 26 right, Rover. 176 Atlanta Tower, wind calm, runway 26 right. Start clear to land, Delta 2176.
Runway 26 right to land, wind 3303. And 26 right to 906, take the view to Mitsubishi. Delta 906. Left Bravo and hold short 26 left Bravo 4, Delta 2270. 14 contact March, we'll see you. Cheers, 14, good day. Bravo 4, cross 26 left, echo ground point. 4 cross 26 left, echo ground point.